come over to this reward section, click on Rewards. Now scroll to PayPal right here and click on it. Click on PayPal Custom Amount and boom! Just type in $1,000 here. The name of this website that will give you free PayPal money in 2022 is... Hi there! In today's video, I will show you how you can earn $1,000 in free PayPal money, simply using this secret website. Plus, as you can see, there's so many PayPal cash codes here that you can redeem completely for free here. Step 1. Come over to this website called Prize Rebel. As you can see right here, this is how the website works. First, you need to sign up for a free account. Then you can start earning points by completing surveys or offers. And finally, you earn free PayPal money or even gift cards. To sign up on the website, you just need to enter your email and a password, and then click on this Sign Up Now button. Or you can directly sign up with Google or your Facebook account. Once you sign up, this is how your dashboard will look like. Now, how do you earn free PayPal money 2022 from here? Hover your mouse over this Earn section right here, and now click on Offer Walls. Now you can choose to complete offers by clicking on any of these here. Let's click on Add Gate, for example. As you can see, so many offers will show up. Now make sure to click on Category right here and select Free. Now all these offers that come up are completely free for you to complete. Now come over to Win and select Contests. And if you read this offer wall contest right here, it basically enables you to make even more free PayPal money 2022 by giving you extra points for completing the offers. If you look at the leaderboard, this is currently how many points they're giving to the top performer, and you can definitely be this person. The best part is that as you scroll down, there are so many other contests that you can participate in to earn more points to redeem free PayPal money in 2022. The only thing you need to be careful about are these rules for the contests. Make sure you follow the rules and you complete the offers within the given time period. There are regular contests on this website, so make sure you never miss out on these. Since we all love free money, let me show you this too. Come over to Win Again and select Raffles. Now as you can see, these are the current prizes they have, and you can enter any of these to win the gift card of your choice. Plus down here, they also show you the upcoming raffles. So make sure you keep an eye on these so you can win your favorite gift card. For even more free PayPal money in 2022, come over to Invite right here and click on Earn with Referrals. Here, as you can see, when you refer someone to this website, you will earn 15% of their earnings. That's one cool way to make money passively. All you need to do for this is just copy this referral link right here by clicking on Copy Link. And now you can share this on all of your social media to your family and friends. Step 2. Hover your mouse over Rewards and click on Rewards. Now come over here and select PayPal. Look at all these free PayPal cash codes that you can redeem. Click on this one, PayPal Custom Amount. Now here, just type in $1,000 and hit claim this item. This is how so many people are making free PayPal money 2022. For even more free money, click on the video on the screen.